This is how to effortlessly manage your trades, your short options positions once you've placed your orders and your orders get filled. So as you can see, this is a live portfolio. This is a real position that we have on right now. It's /ZC, it's the corn futures. And as you can see, we have our short call at the 500 level and our short put at the 430 level. If we pull up the options chain, we can see here that ignore this one. This is a previous position that we opened and closed for a small profit. This is the position that we are actually in right now, the top one. And as you can see, we sold a strangle, and now we are still in that strangle. We haven't made any adjustments. We haven't done any management on this trade at all. Let's just have a look at it in a bit more detail. So as we've already mentioned, our short put at 430, short call at 500. We're pretty much delta neutral on this position right now, and IV rank is super high at 109.1. There's still 40 days left on this contract, and if you notice, well, you won't actually be able to see this on here, but over the past week or so, we were actually in more profit than this, but then implied volatility increased. It doesn't actually matter the reason why implied volatility increases. The only thing that's important is that it actually has increased. That's one of the reasons why we don't actually look at fundamentals or anything like that. I mean, you can, but it's not essential for this style of trading. This is a pretty stress-free style of trading. So we placed this position about 2 weeks ago. We quickly went into some profit, and then now we are still in a profit, but a little bit less of a profit because of the expansion of implied volatility, or the rise in implied volatility. So the plan of action here is we're not going to make any adjustments, or we're not going to do anything to manage this trade unless one of our short strikes get breached. And if they do get breached, then we are going to roll the untested side, so the opposite side that isn't breached. We're going to roll that closer to the money, and we're going to sort of half our delta exposure, or reduce our delta exposure by about 25 to 50%. We haven't needed to do that. We're pretty much delta neutral. All we're going to do in this situation is wait. Basically, we're going to let implied volatility contract. We're going to let theta decay away the value on these contracts, and at some point this coming week, this is a Sunday, so the market is closed. At some point this coming week, we will be looking to get out at a nice profit of around 20 to 30% is our target, although we will hold on for more if we can. However, we'll be happy getting out at 20 to 30%. This is a futures position, so obviously we're using span margin, and so we're getting a very, very nice return on our capital here. I believe this cost us about $700 in buying power, and we collected about $400 in premium. So as you can see, great return. We've still got 40 days left on the contract, and every day that goes by, we're even if on paper we're not making money because implied volatility has increased. Even if implied volatility is at the highest it's ever been in all of history, but there's the contracts are about to expire, and we are well within our range here, or we're well between our short put and short call, i.e. both contracts are still out of the money. We're going to be profitable. So implied volatility has kind of put a bit of a spanner in the works short term. We ideally wanted to be out of this trade this week. However, it's not a problem. It just means we're going to need to either wait for theta to decay a bit more, or wait for contraction in volatility, or both. And at which point we'll be able to get out for a very nice profit. So that's the plan for this trade. And we have made previous videos where we showcase positions where we've had to make multiple adjustments in underlyings like Macy's or GDX, positions that have moved far against us, but we've managed to still exit the position at a break even. I'm hoping we're not going to have to do anything like that in this position. We want to just get out nice and easy, easy trade, easy profit. And so that's basically how you want to be thinking about your trade management. This entire week, we literally didn't need to do anything. I probably logged into this account maybe once a day just to make sure that everything was okay. And that was it. So you want to make sure that you're not getting itchy fingers. If you don't need to do anything, don't do anything, and just be patient. Okay. This is very stress-free style of trading. There's no need to add unnecessary stress. So with that being said, you do need to keep your position sizing in check, keep your buying power requirements in check. I'm just going to very quickly go over the position sizing template that we have. The link is in the description. You just enter in the size of your portfolio at the top. You enter in the VIX level, and then everything is going to be calculated for you automatically. If you do want to learn more about the trade management side of things, you do need to get yourselves into EDS Premium. The link for this will also be in the description. Inside, you will have access to this exact portfolio that you managed to get a little preview of in this video. You get to see all the positions that we place, any management or any adjustments that we make. You will see all of that as well. Everything is in real time, so you can either copy us or reverse engineer our trades to study. It's completely up to you. There's also a full course, so no prior knowledge is required. We will teach you everything that you need to know. It's a private community, so if you get stuck, you can speak with myself, you can speak with other like-minded individuals. There's a 100% money-back guarantee as well, so once you have been through the full course and followed some of our trades, if after 6 months you're not profitable, then we'll just work with you for free until you are, or you can simply request a full refund. So it's completely risk-free. It's $9.99 a month to join right now. The price will be increasing. However, once you're in, the price is locked in for you for life, so you are rewarded for getting in early. The aim of EDS Premium is to teach you the skill. We don't want to keep you dependent on us. Once you've learned it, no one can take it from you. It's very powerful. And we aim to get you to that point of where you are self-sufficient within 6 to 12 months. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.